like little clips.
All right. All right, guys. So we're gonna do an install today, and before I jump into exactly what this is and why I'm upgrading and everything, I just want to say that this video is being sponsored by my buddies over at knivesdeal.com. Definitely go check out their website. They have some awesome prices on knives, self-defense stuff, everything. So if you use RT Life at the checkout, you will get 10% off. So a lot of people in Chargers and Challengers with V6s, RTs have these phony tips in the back. And this is something that, a lot of people don't particularly like, a phony tip. So what many of us do is get the police Valance, okay? And the part number is going to be on the screen and everything. And what this will allow you to do is actually have legitimate tips. Now, after the install, you're gonna see that I don't have the tips just yet. I ordered them online. I went with black tips, so it's gonna be very subtle and everything like that. Supposedly, it's a very easy install, so I'm gonna have my buddy come help me out, Gabe. So overall install, what do you think? Like hard to easy level, like 10 being the hardest.
Like one out of 10 wrenches?
Yeah, 1 out of 10 wrenches.
Like a 2.
So
like
2
1
is
and a
in.
half.
Okay.
1 is like
1.5. So this is super easy, guys.
Yeah.
And this way, one person's working the camera, one person is actually doing the clipping. I heard it's fairly simple, and I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process. So without further ado, let's install it. So these are the tools that are needed in order to complete this job. So really, that's the only tool that you're going to need.
Yep.
Is something to take out these little plastic pieces here. Okay, there we go. Oh, a lot of rocks and gravel.
Is that you from Pilgrim State?
Yup.
Alright, so that one's out. This one, these just come out like 1, 2, 3.
So be careful with these ones because you have
to because you have to reuse them. Let me get on that side so I can take that corner one off, and then we'll take that one off. Where did you get the diffuser from?
I got it at Dodge.
Oh. Oh, they have different ones?
Well, this one's a special, like a police Valance. So it's really, like you can't use a 392 or a Scat Pack one. But yeah, this is the only other alternative. Wow, all these rocks stuck in here.
Oh, that one came out easy.
All right.
Yeah, this tool I use for everything. Pull the door trims off, and then I have like plastic ones too. It's all water in here.
What's that?
It's all water. I can't wait to get my fucking car back. I can't.
It's gonna be badass.
I can't do this Toyota shit no more.
Why? It has really awesome pickup, dude.
Yeah, right. We should, you should actually put that in the video just for shits and giggles.
What?
Like, yeah, man, you ready to take off? Yeah. And then it just goes nowhere.
Yeah, that was definitely one of the slowest accelerations I've experienced.
Dude, when I got in the car, I was like, what the fuck is that? I'm surprised your neighbor don't be popping shit.
What the hell is popping shit?
Popping shit, meaning like, you know, because he's got a Subi. There you go, my car's faster, bro. You know how the Subi guys are?
No.
Well,
No, they're not like that.
some of them are.
Most of the people in legitimately slow cars are always the ones that want to race. Those Subarus, they could boogie. Off the line, if we did a 0 to 60, I bet you he would probably end up winning because I'd be stuck spinning. All right.
Yours doesn't have like tips. Yeah, it's got a rivet here, up there, and here. But I think if I just pop this clip off, oh no, that one too. Oh yeah, this fucking.
Peeled off the plastic. That was relatively easy. There's just these little, you know, plastic pieces that you just pop off. But we're gonna have to try and get this thing off, which seems to be a little bit more of a pain in the butt. There's another one right there.
Oh. Get another tire there.
Yay! And there you go. Interesting. Okay. Oh boy.
Yeah, I spoke to Steven about it, and it was like, get the 2500 stall. You'll be fine with that because the Jay Green said that I could just data log it with the whatchamacallit, with the data log it. All right, grab that corner just so that way it doesn't fall. And okay, so we're about right. Come up a little bit.
Wow, this is much different. Much, much different.
All right. Where's those clips? Got one. Direct bolted.
Direct bolt on?
Direct bolt on.
All right, hang on.
Okay. Now you have the clips.
What?
The clips. The box of clips.
No, where is it? I think you
in the car. Maybe.
Yeah. So we had to go to the store to get
Clips.
Just because the ones that are over on both ends of these really aren't reusable. The ones that are reusable are the ones that are in the middle over here. So just keep that in mind. It was cheap. What was it? Like $4 or something like that? Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. It took about 15. What did it take? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
About 20 minutes. I think the hardest part was actually getting the tips out, right? The tips right here were the hardest part. Getting the actual, black valance off was fairly easy. And then, man, putting the new one in took like 2 seconds. After this was out, putting the new one in was like cupcakes. Cupcakes and rainbows.
And that's what you're gonna need.
And this is what you need, guys. we just installed some massive tips. It's all about the tips. All about the tips.